welcome to Intellify. Today, we are going to understand the meaning behind a very famous quote from the poem Ozymandias, written by Percy B.C. Shelley. Nothing beside remains. What does the narrator mean when he says these words? The narrator means to say that, other than the broken pieces of the statue, everything else is missing. Ozymandias had died. His name and reputation had also died along with his death. The king Ozymandias was a very proud and arrogant king who believed that the power and authority he enjoyed would go on forever. He failed to realize that, like all material things, his statue and his pride too would be tested by time. This sonnet by P.B. Shelley has very close relation to Shakespeare's work, Not Marble nor the Gilded Monuments. They both go on to say how time is the player and we are all just its pawns. For Shakespeare, every rich man leaves the world behind penniless, and every statue or monument is destroyed by the wears and tears of time. They are both firm believers that whatever may come and go, their art shall go on forever. I would like to remember an instant involving Gandhiji. Gandhiji was troubled by the ill treatment of the lower caste in Kerala and arranged for a meeting with a landlord. The landlord, who saw Mahatma Gandhi too as a lower caste, wouldn't let him enter the house, but made him arrangements outside, far off the house. Gandhi went on to request the landlord, "They are our brothers, we should treat them right." To which the landlord replied, "They are low life." But now the house the landlord showed off as his pride is nothing but a union office for toddy workers. That is what time has kept in store for all those arrogant, like the king Ozymandias. Hope this video was informative. Subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Happy learning!